Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make changing wallpaper on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you want to make your changing wallpapers. Let's see how can you do that. You have to keep a long press on your lock screen, and here you have to enter your passcode to add your lock screen. And from here, just tap on this plus icon in the bottom right corner, and then select the photo shuffle option. And from here you just have to select the photos which you want to shuffle on your lock screen or wallpaper. So you must have to select choose photos manually, or you can choose the album, and I'm going to select or choose photos manually. Just keep a long press on that, and you can make an overview, or you can select the photos from here. Once you have selected, just tap on this done option in the top right corner, and here you can see that the photos has been selected. Now just tap on this add option, and it will start saving. Now you just have to select set as wallpaper pair or customize your home screen, and I'm going to select set as wallpaper pair. So once you have selected, so you can see that your wallpaper will automatically change. So that's how you can easily make changing wallpaper on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.